Here are the steps to add a Snapchat widget to the home screen of a Redmi Note 13 Pro. Find an empty space on the home screen. Look for a blank area on your home screen where you want to place the Snapchat widget. Enter the widget menu. Long press on the empty area of your home screen. A customization menu will appear. From there, tap on Widgets. Locate Snapchat widget. Scroll through the list of available widgets until you find Snapchat. Choose a Snapchat widget. Snapchat typically has multiple widget options, such as Snap Map or Chat shortcuts. Tap on the widget you prefer to select it. Place the widget on the home screen. Drag the widget to the desired spot on your home screen. If prompted, adjust the widget size to fit your layout. Save the widget placement. Once you're happy with its position, release your finger to drop the widget in place. Your Snapchat widget is now added to your Redmi Note 13 Pro's home screen. If you encounter any issues, let me know in the comments, and I'll help you out.